Hello and welcome. Today we will be demonstrating how to add an additional device to your Zoom phone account where the devices are being managed by Phonism. So in this case, we are at our Zoom site called Main Site. You can see that the system has been integrated, your Phonism account has been integrated with Zoom Phone, and there are two sites at this Zoom Phone site, or in this Zoom Phone account. And in this case, we are managing the main site. So we will add another Mitel device. I will simply kind of create a bogus MAC address. This is not a real MAC address, but just for the purpose of the demo. And we will select our recently added Mitel 6867i. Simply select the firmware version the device is running, and you need to assign the device to a Zoom phone user. In this case, we'll add it to this account, and we can press continue here. And the device gets created in Phonism, and then also gets created in the Zoom phone account as well. So you'll see that there were four devices here. You can see that the MAC address that we just added is there as well. There it is. One second. There, this one's it, right here. So in the case of how Phonism works with Zoom, it's worth mentioning that when Phonism adds a device type, when you're managing the devices in Phonism and it's integrated with your Zoom phone account, the devices in Zoom will all show up as other, all of them that are being managed by Phonism. The devices that you've natively registered and you're natively managing with Zoom, they will show up as the proper brand and model ID that you've assigned to them. But with Phonism's integration, they're all under the other type, which allows us to add support for non-supported devices that Zoom Phone doesn't typically support, like Mitel, Avaya devices, SNOM M500, and others, right? So once you add your device in Phonism, it gets registered with Zoom, as I showed you. And now all of the management and settings for this device can be managed here. So if we edit this device, we will see that we have a variety of settings to configure that are available to us and options. And under account one, for example, we have credentials have already been assigned. And this is on purpose because Phonism knows the SIP credentials that belong to the user the account the device was assigned to, so it automatically assigns that for you. You don't need to do that manually. And then we also have templates set up to where these variables, if you will, they are locked down and get automatically applied or automatically resolved so that the device is configured with the correct proxy server, the correct port, the correct outbound proxy, registrar, etc. Now, all of these configuration variables are dynamically imported from Zoom Phone into Phonism and assigned to your device automatically for you. So you don't have to manage each one of these settings, but you can come in and manage any other setting. You can manage your kind of general park call park. You can manage your time servers, your daylight savings time, basically kind of any feature the device supports, you can manage in Phonism. You can manage your administrative settings if you want to turn the web interface off and make sure customers can't mess around on the device themselves. You can turn that off. You can even put this in your template so that all of your Mitel devices are turned off, have the web interface turned off or whatnot. So that's a quick summary of how to add a device, another Mitel device to your Phonism account that is integrated with Zoom Phone, and how to manage a few of the different settings available. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.